3 centuries ago, settlers on Prince Edward Island began changing wetlands to farmlands, inadvertently hurting local and vital habitats. Fast forward to 1992 and the Alisary Creek wetland emerges, a 20-hectare restoration by Ducks Unlimited Canada in Mount Stewart.
Not just as a sanctuary for waterfowl, for wildlife observation and education. By 2019, this commitment deepens as Charlottetown Rural High School inaugurates the island's first Wetland Center of Excellence, seamlessly integrating conservation into education. These interconnected events highlight how historical land modifications have paved the way for contemporary conservation initiatives, emphasizing the enduring bond between islanders and their environment.
Now, being here on a chilly morning is nice. Plenty of birds, and the trails are being used by a bunch of cool people.